Oh, and Mr. Callahan, you're on the side. It's okay. All right, so today is your client's plea deadline date.
We're unable to reach an agreement.
All right. Where is family violence on this case, please?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right. You're requesting a jury trial?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. How long do you expect this trial to last? It's an assault, family choking?
I think it could be 4 days. There was punishment at it, Your Honor.
Okay. If he were found guilty, would he be going to the judge or jury for punishment?
The judge.
All right. So does that shorten the time?
Probably 3 days.
All right. So counsel, if you'll file that election for me, please.
Yes, ma'am.
And Ms. Ferguson, I need a jury trial date, family violence. They're telling me it will probably be 3 days or 2. And it's Mercado.
Okay.
All right, May 23rd. And if you'll sign the election for us, please.
Yes, please.
All right, thank you.
Yes.
Mr. Mercado, the court will not accept any plea bargain agreements in this case without good cause. Otherwise, you'll have to plead open to the court. Your plea deadline date has expired. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, thank you. Michael Douglas. Who's the attorney for Michael Douglas? All right, what is happening with this case?
Judge, we've made an offer.
That's correct, Your Honor. We received an offer today for the first time, and I'd like to have reset so I can discuss it with my client.
All right, and where are you from originally?
New York originally.
All right, because I can hear the accent. Don't lose the accent.
I'll try not. I've been here 9 years and I haven't lost it.
Okay. Do you have all the discovery?
I do.
All right, Ms. Ferguson, I need a 30-day reset for plea deadline date.
24.
All right, so April 24th will be your plea deadline date. What that means, on that date, you need to let the court know whether or not you're accepting the offer. Otherwise, the court will not accept any offers without good cause. Otherwise, you have to plea open to the court. Do you understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Do you have any questions about anything?
No, ma'am, I don't.
All right, Michael Douglas, with a name like Michael Douglas, which everybody will think of because it's Michael Douglas, right? Can't be late for court, okay?
Yes, ma'am, I won't.
All right. Ms. Ferguson will give you a reset, then you're excused, but make sure you go out of that door with your client. Thank you.
Thank you. Maybe step back.
Yes. Julian Juarez. Who's the attorney for Juarez?
Mr. Douglas, have a seat and then when you start your call.
All right, we're waiting for your attorney. Jennifer Portillo or Portillo. I know I'm mispronouncing it. The double L's always confuse me. I did? Yes, thank you. Jennifer Portillo. Why do I have this file? Jennifer Portillo.
Your Honor, the attorney was supposed to go outside to see it.
Ah, thank you. Gracie Segundo. All right, where's Gracie?
Just come, Judge.
Okay, thank you. Hello. All right, let me see if this is who this is, family violence or criminal trial division.
This is gonna be Jason.
All right, this is criminal trial division.
Jason Jerkins.
All right, thank you. If you all could slide a little bit this way. All right, so thanks for popping in.
No problem, Judge.
All right, so
Your Honor, we're here today on a setting to continue our discussions on a plea agreement potentially. There's some discovery that's still pending that the subpoena of medical records from the hospital have been requested by the state. They've not received or I've received them yet myself. Based on their current investigation, there needs to be some more witnesses interviewed, that affidavits may need to be provided. And so,
when you say affidavits provided, these are affidavits you're going to provide?
yes, Your Honor.
Okay.
That's right.
So with regards to medical records, we were here on February for medical records, and then March 9th for medical records, then March 30th. So the next setting I'm giving you will be the last setting for the medical records. And then for the affidavit. So I normally don't do this. Ms. Ferguson, on Segundo, can I have a 45-day reset, please? And counsel, I have in here that the conflict waiver, you already filed the notice. Thank you so much.
I have Mario Pineda, co-defendant in this matter, Your Honor, is also present in the courtroom.
All right, let's bring him up as well.
He has my stuff, can I go get it?
Hmm?
He has my
You don't need to- Oh,
First row, sir, Mr. Burrow, first row. First row.
They both live in Houston, Your Honor. They're traveled here today. I apologize for them coming a few minutes late.
No problem.
But,
All right, just don't be late again, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, so May 8th is discovery and medical records. So that's the last time for this. This will be the last discovery. And then Norma, also, who's your other client? What's his name?
Mario Pineda.
All right, Norma, I also need the same reset date for Mario Pineda. And it will be the May 8th date.
Okay,
All right, is there anything else?
that's it, Your Honor.
Oh, and counsel, next time, if it's a matter of just discovery and they're coming from Houston, let the court know and we can do it by Zoom.
We have that permission to do that next time.
Yes, they can appear by Zoom next time, since it will be the update on discovery.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right. Ms. Ferguson, on those reset forms for Pineda and Segundo, if you could put on there that they're allowed to appear by Zoom, that they're coming in from Houston. Yes.
Yes, both of your clients need to sign that with you, it's not ever call them back.
Parents read. Whoa. The rubber band popped and it flew off. Was anybody injured? Let's get this on record now. Okay, Robert. I mean, that band just flew.
I'll let this one slide. John.
I appreciate it. All right, today is the plea deadline date.
Yeah, we've rejected it, so you're,
All right, so how long are you expecting this jury trial to last?
it'll be at least a week.
At least a week? All right, if you and Mr. Gahan will confer over a date, have you all conferred on a jury trial date?
No, we haven't.
No, we have not.
All right, if you all will confer on the jury trial date, and then see if Ms. Ferguson can fit you in, and then that will be our date for jury trial.
Thanks, Judge.
Judge, one of the issue, I guess, do that. I know there's gonna be some motions. Can we get us, you want to just contact Jason and get a setting with the court for a couple of weeks before that?
Yes.
Okay.
Or, you know, anytime you want to do motions, just let Ms. Ferguson know and we'll have them done. And if there are motions that you all cannot agree on what you can agree on and what you can't agree on, we'll just put it all on the record.
The state's already been over with most of those things, but there's a couple of things I'll probably need to put.
Okay. All right, talk to her and then come back and let me know what the date is you all have selected.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.
Judge.
Yes. Yes.
Jennifer Porfirio. I'm checking the outside.
Okay, let me call her.
It's already been approved for PTD. But it's really just.
Who is your client?
Jennifer Portillo.
Oh, just one second.
Mr. Esposito, that's my.
Okay.
He's been approved for PTD, Judge. EMS came, checked him out, put all the leads on him. He is going to be going home. We didn't transport him, but it was pretty legit, Judge. I thought that man was dying.
Okay. All right, Ms. Ferguson, PTD date on Escobar.
24th.
All right, we'll see you back on April 24th.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome. And then I'm going to take yours up. Could I have a prosecutor on Jennifer Portillo, please? Court is calling 2020 CR 10190, State of Texas versus Jennifer Portillo. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state,
Jason Garrett, Your Honor.
for the defense?
Isidro Montoya, Your Honor.
All right, this hearing was scheduled at 9 a.m. and it's now 9:55 a.m. The defendant has not appeared in court. Defense, have you had any contact with your client?
No, Your Honor, all the contact information is not correct, and she's on fugitive status. She removed her GPS monitor, and I have no idea where she's at.
All right, well, I believe a warrant has already been issued for her.
Thank you, Your Honor.
All right,
May we be excused?
you may
Judge?
be excused.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Afraid of the dark anymore.